Yeah, so with SPY on like that 4 hour, we still have that gap to fill. At least for me.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
that's on
691.
it's just filled on Nasdaq, right? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
I meant of the bigger picture. I think today is gonna be green, but I think big picture I'm not as bullish.
Alright.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, I wouldn't be looking long until we're actually above kind of all-time high, actually. I guess all-time high we would have to clear in order for me to be long. Otherwise, this still could be a break and retest on the
Yeah,
daily here.
that's exactly what I'm liking, the break and retest. But then we have still some slight room here, right? That's the.
Yeah, we still have a little bit more room,
Yeah.
which is basically at the breakout level. We should have room to the break. Like if we're actually looking at the retest, well, one will fill the gap first at 91, but if we actually get above there and hold, then the retest of that trend line is actually up to like 94, 95, which actually is our breakout level for the highs. So I guess, yeah, it kind of makes sense. Yeah. Like it.
Fuck am I supposed to do this assignment?
Yeah, right at 690 here on SPY. Not really sure what to think today, to be honest.
Yeah, it's kind of sad. It's kind of to the target there, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
622. Yeah, like Hughes is literally already at basically the retest here. Who is calling me? 1 second.
I'm supposed to do this assignment if it's due. What? I'm drunk. Oh, damn it. All right.
Alright. What was I gonna say? Okay. Yeah, Q's is already at the retest basically. It might have a little bit more room, maybe like $2 or $3 more. And then we'll be at the retest area.
I think Trump said that there are no tariffs. Just saying,
Yeah.
by the way, something like that, right?
He knows what he's doing, don't worry.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing.
He said also that this dip is nothing compared to what upside is coming or something, and then he said that he will not take Greenland with military, and
I think they made a
then
deal with
they
something.
made some deal,
I think it was like
some lease
the
or whatever.
materials or something like that from Greenland.
Yeah,
So that's actually quite good for natural resources.
few spots for military locations maybe as well, I think.
Yeah, someone should
But
actually
yeah,
look for that. I think
there's
that is quite
probably
good.
a lot of stuff in Greenland, to be honest, like minerals and.
But I think he doesn't understand when people come there with arms, the ice spears is gonna attack and kill every human. And then they're gonna take up the weapons and the missiles and then start over against the humans.
The bears. Wow, I can't believe this breakdown actually happened so well on Apple. That's kind of sad I missed that. I'm not gonna lie. We're literally looking at that at 270. What do we have to drawing? Really nice. It's actually, I would honestly say a textbook Head and Shoulders that broke down here. Yeah, we're still at a buy spot for me on Apple. Oof. Let's see, Microsoft did continue to actually sell, which is kind of what I wanted actually. Yeah, we are kind of at my buy spot as well. We might have a little bit more room. I still kind of want us down to like 425, but this isn't a bad area overall. So yeah, sold down. Yeah, this is all. This would be the end of like the flagpole here from this daily flag we broke down from.
I might be wrong, but I think it's important to not get too much FOMO of this trend these 2 days based on the wicks here.
Yeah.
But some tickers do look good, right? For potentially higher still.
Yeah.
So it's not like I'm
Why is it calling?
just gonna.
Yeah, Google held this trend line here.
You look at the wicks here when it does like that, and you see raw big upside 2 days. Often you get a bounce on wicks, and you see EOS or Nasdaq have a down day again. But I'm more thinking it should come tomorrow or so. Could just be a back test day,
Yeah.
not a red day, Retest that trend line, see some sellers, back test a bit, and then we see if that leads to more upside or downside over the next week. Learning
Google's at
structure.
GP here. The first GP here, unless it wants to take out new all-time high again. So this would be your short area. If you're looking to short Google. I'll leave that up. Nvidia came pretty, yeah, basically down towards that lower trend line there. It's quite nice. So that Head and Shoulders actually still intact on the weekly. Yeah, quite nice. Quite nice. Let's see if we actually break it though. So we'd have to clear below like 175, most likely. Below 175 would look short on Nvidia for the bigger time frame. So we'd have to see a candle close below that. Otherwise, we're still holding structure.
Lova, inte kolla på shorts. Jag vill inte att ni gör det. Det är bättre att ni sätter er på tvn och kollar tv. Okej? Vi vill att du dricker lite vatten, gubben. Du med. Drick lite vatten.
Let's make it a quick day. I'm kind of tired today.
Did you sleep little?
I did. Not that. Like 5 hours.
Mm.
It's not
Yeah.
terrible.
Oh, yeah, I slept 6 hours because I had that girl call for that job thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, waking me up in my wonderful
Slumber.
sleep. Yeah. I think I need to send her that I need money for that a meeting. Yeah.
Scalp Goat's in Vietnam right now.
Oh, that's nice.
And he's at a cat cafe.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Yeah, he's doing good. He's doing good. No time for trading, obviously, but he's doing good.
Yeah,
They have
that's
more
nice.
traditional careers, but there's nothing wrong with that because his
Oh,
girlfriend's a dentist. He works physical therapy, so.
yeah, that's nice work. Stable works.
Mhm.
Right. If you can work and have trading as a hustle, that's the best of the
Mhm.
both worlds, I think. Because the amount of money you could make on both for time and put that into long term and after many years you're golden, right? I think that's the best choice. But sometimes people cannot do that. Like me, I was not able to. I'm maybe trying now again, but I think trading full time only is kind of hard on the mental. If even if you have quite decent amount of money, it's not about for me the mental per se. It's more about the social part. I think
Mhm.
people underestimate how much social interaction we people need.
I'd agree.
You
I'd agree.
you kind of have that for granted when you work, even if you don't talk a lot with people and work on yourself, work alone a bit or so on. But it's still quite big change. Mhm. Maybe I take the job and I like, oh my god, what? That's how it is. I don't remember. Oh, it's horrible. Okay, bye. Job. So Alex, why did we reduce size this week? We only had winners yet.
Yeah, that's a good question. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, the
Fucked up
ATR
today.
was the ATR was so high on Monday pre-market and just dropped to nothing kinda the first hours and then it picked up again, similar to yesterday. Not that high and then after we were done, very high volatility.
Yep. Yeah, we probably could have stuck with regular sizing, to be honest, but whatever.
Yeah, I did think the move would be a lot more aggressive than they were. I was quite certain about it based on the ATR on the overnight session. But yeah, it just slowed down. Maybe because Trump was talking, you know. He's,
No.
people just chill and wait for him to say something good or bad. And then we see the catalyst and I mean, it was a bit weaky, but it was nothing like you need to have a higher stop, and then you don't need to reduce size, right? But
Yeah, I guess it
uh,
could have. No, we would have taken the same amount of loss. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Because we averaged, we got like 45 points yesterday or something like that.
yeah, 44, 45, yeah.
It's quite decent.
And now, do you agree with me? It's like, oh, if I size up now and take losers for the week, it's gonna be a bad week.
Uh-huh.
you know. But that's just mental. It should be based on the stop anyway, right? So
Yeah, it's
don't care
fine.
about
We'll
that. Yeah.
stick with 10 for the rest of the week, and then we'll see.
By the way, Alex, on my Fund Next, where I need $59 more for 1.5k payout on 3 accounts.
Oh, 50
Kind of
bucks.
funny. Yeah, consistency rule unfunded. I was like, what? No.
Yeah, you see that PCE is reporting at 10 today.
What?
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
what I said.
8:30.
That's what I said. Yeah, it's delayed apparently.
Oh, yeah. Oh, then we have a lot of data at 10 a.m. today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, we
Oh,
will.
yeah,
Yes, we
that's a
will.
lot. Yeah, that's a lot.
Hello, guys.
Hello, hello.
By the way, Nordic, I talked with Nordic about the opportunities to get apartments in Halmstad, and he like, oh, if you get a manager job there, you could employ me. He lives there.
Does he have like the same career path as you?
No. He
Oh,
he
okay.
just want he just because it's hybrid, so you could trade
Oh,
also. He
okay.
was like, yeah, give my job, so I could do that and trade at the same time.
I hope we have another riot.
Right?
Yeah, and I think it was in 2020 or 2021. We had a really big riot
Why would you want to riot?
because all the stuff I can get.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you remember, Alex, but they were frying Philly.
Did I remember? 2021. I don't remember
I
that.
think it was whenever George Floyd died. It happened in Minneapolis, and then Philly just picked up on it randomly.
Mm. Yeah, I don't remember that.
For Rich, you could just trade profitably for some months and increase the account sizes, and you don't need to steal
Or
things from stores.
or you can steal things from stores, resell those, buy an account, and then become profitable. Oh my god, I'm literally putting you guys on. You're not seeing the vision.
Businessman at heart. Oh, what time's it? 9:18. Still got 10 minutes to the open. Oh man, I'm like falling asleep sitting in
I've
my
been waking
chair.
up. I've been waking up so early. I don't know why. It's getting annoying. Like I'll wake up at like 5 in the morning and I can't go back to sleep. Like I woke up 6 times until 7 o'clock. I'm just like, you know what, fuck it, I'm getting up.
So we all slept bad today. Wow.
Yep.
This Maybe this is our first 200-point lost day then.
Maybe.
We all just gonna suck and like, oh no, I went long. Oh no, I went short. Oh shit, I took the wrong position. Oh no, I closed my trade. Oh no, I doubled down. Yeah, and the kid are crying also.
No
I'm just
sleep.
waiting for Alex to say, guys, remove your stop loss.
DCA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run.
I remember when Alex DCA in this channel.
It worked. It worked.
Yeah.
We've done it before. Not often, but we've done it before. It's been a
Yeah.
long time though. It's been like well over 6
1
months.
year?
Maybe a year, yeah.
No, year, I think.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
been a really long time.
Yeah, don't do that, Alex.
That was when I was trading 10, so that was like 20 NASDAQ.
Yeah.
Then-
But now
Oh my
15,
God.
30,
yeah,
45,
30 is a
60.
little scary. I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I don't want to do 30.
Oh, you cannot grow the Nasdaq too much. Then you're gonna fuck over us with the sizing. You're gonna get, the price is gonna move when you enter.
That'd be nice. That'd be
Like,
nice.
oh, you bastards, you cannot get my entry.
So you guys could take entry, and then I'll get an entry, and then
Uh,
we'll pump
Take
up,
our
and then
liquidity. Yeah.
you guys take yourselves, and then yep. Oh yeah. I'm gonna play chess to wake me up.
No, trading,
Holy
Alex.
shit.
Got 10 minutes.
Get a coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
Oh, I drank a big coffee. It didn't help.
I drank coffee like 2 hours ago. I've tried this week to not drink it like before trading.
I'm still drinking.
Yeah, I'm doing a bottle of vodka every day before trading. No, I'm kidding. Because drinking. Never mind. It was not fun.
After I pick up my daughter at kindergarten, I usually go speeding like 150 miles per hour just to get the rush out of me, you know.
Yeah, and you
On the way.
drink alcohol at the same time also, right?
On the way home. And I don't need any adrenaline rush.
Yeah. I don't see the aggressiveness here. I think we sell the open here.
Yeah, let's see.
Jesus, man. I gotta get off this fucking game.
Back test to VWAP. Yeah. Oh, we have not filled the balance on ES yet. No, on the daily. No, not yet. The 4 hour, yeah. It should definitely be the target though. Nasdaq did fill, yeah. Filled it, yeah. My kid has a hole in his tooth, by the way, Nikolai. My oldest, in his milk tooth.
What did you
It's a
feed him?
No, it's kind of weird because I am brushing and he's brushing and he's doing that really good. I was surprised when I saw it.
I have
So I will
fixed a
not.
lot of those.
Oh, I never. But I think he drinks too much juice, bro. And protein shakes when climbing. Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's fixable.
Yeah.
But it's
But
a
you know,
milk.
he's 10, so at that age they're losing those teeth. So she's
Yeah,
like, yeah. So I guess
he's
it was
partying.
time. Yeah, partying, raving too much.
Yeah.
No, so he's gonna enjoy the visit tomorrow then, when I need to mm, and fill it up.
I usually got toys when I did that,
Yeah, they're gonna get. He's
just
gonna
because
get
it's
toy also.
horrible.
Yeah, but he's so old, you know. So
Yeah.
he'll be like, "Where's the money?" Instead, I want money. I want them to
Show
just-
me, show me the money.
Yeah. Oh, so you fixed a lot of tools when you were young.
Yeah, I have like 5 fixes, I think.
Oh,
Like
wow.
during my teenage.
Oh.
A lot of energy drink and
Oh, but he's 10, you know. He has.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But if I look at the teeth, they look like pristine, really good. And then it's just a hole, not that big, in one
Yeah.
tooth. It's so weird.
Yeah. And I think like you, Philip, that we were gonna test the yesterday's high or something because we have these. You
Yeah, not seeing the
since
strength here. Oh.
since 13 today we had like all we had in NQ at least was higher lows all the way. There's a lot of
But-
volume like the
Oh.
last hour in this.
We could go for this ES or SPY gap before though. That's also possible to see that fill and then backtest. So I'm not 100% sure. As I see slight buying here, I wanted this to turn down here. We're gonna see weave up, p-hod retest and then see higher. Wick below p-hod.
Oh.
See, I'm not 100% sure.
Alright, let me close this.
It's good I have 2 screens so I can have Bully Bumpa on one screen and the charts on the other.
That's good. You just trade based on the bull bumpa chart. If it looks bullish, you go long, and if he looks bearish, you go short. For all of you people who don't know, bull bumpa is like Swedish for like super small kids, like 3-4 years, 5. Like yeah. Teddy bears and snails and bears and yeah, seeing some strength here in market. See the buying up this. Looks like I was wrong. We don't know. Open up,
Flagging here.
not here yet. Yeah, Alex still playing chess.
Yeah.
Don't do
Yeah,
it,
this
Alex.
is. I
You're not
sent a
gonna
picture.
be focused enough.
I'm not playing online. I'm just playing against the bots.
Oh, okay. That's funny, Nikolai.
Got it. GG.
Oh.
I beat him! I did it!
So we could have a green day today, and then Alex says, "I don't wanna trade Friday because Philip is not here." Then we see all of us on Monday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you could do that. I'm okay with that.
No, don't give me that. Everyone feels wrong that we're not trading.
So it's
Oh.
Are
Philip's
you not
fault.
here tomorrow, Philip?
Yeah. No, my kid is gonna fix his tools. I got time at 10 a.m., so I will not be trading.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the kid is gonna be at a friend, so I will not be able to trade later because I need to picking him up and yeah, you know, do everything else that I need to do in my life. So
Dentist work 16:00 on a Friday. That's crazy.
yeah. 9:45 actually.
So like 15 minutes after open. Or Swedish time.
Yeah.
dump here and then turn like
Oh, I'm feeling
690.
badass right now.
Long air for me is gonna be near 600, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or is short this, Alex?
Or we could short it
Or
too.
we up?
You wanna short it? You wanna short it, Philip? We could short it.
1 minute before open? No. No, I see too much strength here. I think they're gonna, based on tickers here, sell it a bit at least, but that gap
Sweep,
fill.
sweep
You
those
remember
lows.
the haunting I had
Mm-hmm.
of that some time ago? Oh. Yeah,
Should
you
have
see?
shorted it.
That- yeah, there's 20 points, 25,
No,
30.
almost
Yeah,
40 points.
yeah.
Why did we short it, Philip?
45 points, 50 points. Yeah, there we
Well
go.
then done.
Yeah.
Could have gone back to sleep.
No, you stay awake. Sleep 9 hours tomorrow.
So,
Yeah, so you went down there. Yeah. You played exactly like you kind of
Yeah,
wanted.
kind of like that
Yeah,
too.
this will be the first target, and second target is P-Hod with wheel up. Retrace there to 640. ES is stronger here though.
Yeah.
Nvidia is strong. Wow. Apple Nvidia.
I think this could continue to get shorted, to be honest. They should have room. Should we hear your mic? Thank you.
Nvidia reacted overnight high. P-Hod there.
Yeah,
And there's that.
give a retest entry there, kind of.
Oh,
700.
ES is strong though. Right overnight high here. Above overnight high. I think tickets dried with price there, though.
Yeah,
Looks good.
yeah.
CUD went down. Yeah, I didn't dislike the short, just the open.
I didn't mind a short, even if it was off the open, because we were sitting at the overnight high.
So why didn't we take it, Alex? Was it because I didn't take it?
Yeah. Look at SPY though. Holding up a wow, look at that. It's actually breaking highs.
Yeah.
Flagging, breaking out. Netflix came down to 84 here. I could take a buy at 84. It's not terrible, I guess. Which percentage are we up? 0.8. 0.8%.
Yeah, 213 points.
Yeah, I see. I see. Might go to previous high of day.
It's just not
Maybe
enough
too
to
low,
short to be odd here.
Yeah, no, it's not. 700's not bad, but would like I would like at least 715 if I was gonna short.
To drive for a new leg though. Lower. Nvidia, wow, that's
What
a
a
big
candle.
reaction.
Yeah.
On the one period.
Yeah, we should get PLOD here or PHOD here.
Interesting. Wicks are selling here also in market.
What if we actually still could short the lows and then even look past PHOD? Oh, now it's too late. But
Yeah, 600 I think is possible. Okay. Oh wow. Oh no. Why didn't we short? Oh, that Nvidia pushed down there. Oh. Went right to the target there, we were up. Under jihad for me.
this is kind of a long spot here for me. Well, I would like us a bit lower. 600. I'd prefer.
Yeah, 600 would be best structural wise on the left there.
Yep.
Retest.
Yep. No, I'll be 2/3 size for the rest of the week. I'm not gonna bother changing it at the end of the week. Especially if we end up flipping power, possibly taking a red day today and tomorrow. That'll actually flip us on the week, so I'd rather not do that. So I'll just stick with 10 today and tomorrow. But volatility doesn't seem that bad, so yeah, if you want to go back to regular, you probably could.
I don't think it's anything wrong with that.
Yeah. But also 2/3 size compared to full size isn't the end of the world.
No.
Shouldn't
I'm
be.
just trading 1 micro less. So
Mhm.
that's the big difference for me. I kinda fine with 3 micro. It's kinda nice actually. I have so many accounts I don't really need to trade higher size. I was up 8.5k yesterday.
Yeah, shouldn't
With that
really be
size.
focusing on the dollar anyway. We've
No,
held
but I
up
mean
pretty
the
nicely
yeah, of course.
on the week.
I mean the yeah, I just mean the 3 MQ risk wise is kinda nice.
Mhm.
Because the dates are still quite big, even if and the risk is lower, you know. I get more trades in a row to lose accounts. See some buying here. Yes, buying that. Apple bought up. Google.
Why didn't we take it?
Honestly, the candle looks a lot larger than it actually is. It's only 30 points.
Yep.
Right? It looks a lot
Yep.
larger, right?
Yep.
Or is that just me?
No, it looks larger.
That's a pretty big wick from that VWAP, and even at the very low, it's yeah. Look.
I still think this could be sold, by the way.
No,
I'm
I'd
not
agree.
sure it's gonna pop here. I still would like that 600 retest. Not sure we get it. ES looks strong though, but I think it's possible. Not we're gonna see 717 here quite soon, I think. ES is breaking out actually on the overnight high there.
Kind of strong, right?
Yeah. Nvidia to buy on overnight high there also.
So now I would say, why didn't we buy that?
Yeah.
I
rest.
did, but I bought and took a 25-point loss at the like I bought 660, I think, before the touch. That was a bit stupid, but then I rebought and I sold that now 86.
Okay. So B, roughly.
Yeah, plus 10 pot.
Okay.
No, 14 points or something.
Oh, nice.
But yeah, it was a bit stupid taking the long before
Confirmation there
yesterday's
on the
high.
pre-hod.
Yeah. I
I
was a bit
remember
early.
we almost always wicket, especially when
Yeah.
you have view up underneath like that.
Yeah.
That's why I said I want the view up or wick under pod.
Yeah.
My God.
Philip's getting PTSD.
I was
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
at
yeah,
the
yeah.
first trade and she saw it and she was mad. Glad I
Did
took the
her-
re-entry though. When I saw ES getting some strength, I bought. Let's see, I bought NQ at 46.
I don't see the strength on Nasdaq really here. I'm surprised, but we see strength on ES here. More strength on ES than Nasdaq.
Tickers are holding. That's why.
Yeah, we are holding.
All tickers are holding right now.
Yeah.
Like you say, it's probably gonna come a push here for gap close on ES at least, but
Yeah, it's to 973, so it's 10, 11 points higher.
this top step level indicator is really weird though. Like, I just press the dashboard or anything, and it goes away from all the charts, and then I have to restart the whole broker to, or like the page.
Yeah, I'm not sure here. I don't
Are you
like.
short?
No, I said I don't. I'm not sure here.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Oh, I'm not sure.
I don't like the
Yeah,
way Q's is setting up. The tickers don't look weak.
yeah. Because ES could make a higher high here and start to sell here. That
Yeah.
will drive Nasdaq lower here at 600. It's mostly based on Nvidia here, but the rest of the tickers looks kind of good. But I
actually,
see
it's
you
doesn't look bad here. Looks like it's creating a little bit
sell
of a
on.
nice setup.
If NQ or if ES were stronger, I would like a buy on NQ here, but since
Yeah,
ES was the leading, but now it's like losing a bit.
yeah, selling that overnight high again. Just wicking above. And
Maybe I should have been short.
I think you could still hold here though. But on nothing. But it looks like they're each gonna
Looks
play. Yeah, never
kinda.
mind. Never mind. Yeah, never
Oh.
mind. Never mind. Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah. There.
Getting spicy.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Wow.
Yeah, short for the
Yeah, yeah.
for 796 somewhere up there because it looks like an H setup on my end.
Yeah, yeah. It was on H up.
That was fast. Yeah, maybe I should have said
Lost.
I was short.
Yeah. I didn't dislike it. I was not maybe not 100% sure, but ES based on the reaction there, it was looking good for a lower low on Nasdaq. The short on the open looks tasty now.
Yep.
Oh.
Generational wealth.
Yeah, with 1000 Nasdaq it is. They're still trying to buy it up, you know.
Is it a
Yep.
is it a bad sign my daughter is coming to ask for juice, Philip?
No, give her use. We
I
have
give her
free dental care, bro.
yeah. I give her some juice, but I fill it half of it with water. I lie to her.
I did the same.
Yeah.
My kid has had no problems except now. I mean,
I think that long there could have been and can be nice from ES perspective.
nah, weave up. We touched there. I see that.
Still a little scary for me.
Yeah.
Don't fully like anything yet. Well, we're still holding P hot here. Kind of.
That
Oh
it,
no. No, we got the close
we
below, but
yeah, weave up.
yeah, it's
Just
still
double weave up, trying to hold, but looks like they are failing that for the time being. Nvidia could potentially, if it loses this, could go for gap fill at 183.9 here. So it could have more downside potential here. If Apple, Google sells here, instead of holding this view.
ES
Stay under
doesn't
view
look
up here.
too happy.
Yeah.
yeah, I think we should have below 600 here. Should have room below there. Probably
From open, that's what, 130 points?
560.
We see the trend day down now. And we just see this at cat bounce, and I was correct with the weeks. No, I was 1 day too early. I wanted to sell to possibly come in tomorrow. We filled the gap, and so buying on the wicks. Exactly what I wanted to see though. Well, I lined good with a short. Guess I should have taken it. I was quite sure on that short on the open. I don't know why I didn't take it.
Yeah, I kind of was as well. Not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Because it was the
based on
open, not
VIX
on.
and
Sure we would hit that previous high day there.
yeah, be out and buy day.
Here's 600 though. This isn't a bad long area, but I'd want this to develop a little bit more.
We have a 10 a.m. news quite soon.
Yeah, maybe we'll just wait for that.
Strong sell here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy this anymore.
Should have GP coming in soon. We're at 61.8 here. Have a level coming up here as well. 550 is my target here for downside before we start seeing buying. Yeah, we'll probably wait for data. We have 10 minutes. I don't want to rush this setup, so. Here is What are my levels?
This is a bit more aggressive than I'm thinking was. Oops.
Yeah.
With the tickers here. Every ticker is selling here also. Yeah.
70.7 here. We just tapped into. GP.
Almost looks like, yeah. See some slight buying there on the CVD. But kind of looks like a gap and trap for the time being here. Honestly. How does the 4-hour look? No, 4-hour look, it doesn't look bearish yet. It's just based on that close there.
Yep. Alright, I'll be back really quick.
Oh my god, this is a flush.
Oh, you heard me saying that, Hitch? I'm short here too.
I think he heard Alex as well.
Yeah.
Saying
Oh, he heard. Yeah, this is not the first time when Alex say, I'm not sure here. We're like, short? Short? Take care, Hitch.
I think this is our level coming up soon. Our entry right here. It is. It's actually perfect to what Alex called out. He said 50, I think he
Yeah.
said 55 or 58, something like that.
Yeah, I have a 570 level here that we respected. So some buying from.
I do have news in 10 minutes though, so I mean,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
kind of iffy to take right now, honestly.
yeah. I'm not gonna take anything before the news. Nikolai is still only taking 2 trades, right? Don't overtrade, bro.
I took another stab long at 600, and
You got flushed.
I'm down 190.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting now.
Yeah. I think you're being a bit too aggressive on Nasdaq on levels.
Mm-hmm.
Try to
Yeah,
anticipate the draw first and then enter.
yeah.
Because it does that super much. A lot. The draw and then you see buying in. I would say 3 trades yet is a bit too much. Maybe 1 too many for me.
Yeah.
Let's do 4-4-4. 4-second breathe, 4-second hold, 4-second out. And chill. I saw some decent buying there on the CVD. Right back to 630 backtest though. So like, should see if they don't want to pop this hard, we should see some sellers right here. But ES went to a nice place for a supply there on 6933. Yeah, I saw sellers coming in there, right as predicted. It was a decent short entry for a new LOD.
Okay, I'm back. What happened? Oh, we actually popped from that GP.
Yeah, 570. We popped to right from my
Wow.
supply to resistance to 630, and
60
then
points.
saw sellers. Yes, and saw sellers coming in again.
That's actually quite nice. Would have been in and out right there.
Yeah, but you were not here, Alex.
Yeah, I wouldn't have taken it anyways. It's
No.
too tight of a window.
Yeah.
But it was nice. GP was nice.
I like the 630 short also, by the way. I said it when you were not here. Because there was where seller should be aggressive again. And you would. Yeah. Wanna go for this move here. Back to 570 again. 580. And then hold on there for LOD and push low to 500.
Yeah, 3 minutes till data here. We'll see what we get. PCE is being reported, so we should move off
Yeah.
data.
Yeah.
Yeah, back down to the lows. 70.7.
I'm not seeing any real buying yet here. No. But data soon here, very soon. Could just pop it here with data also. With 2D, then gaining traction. So back to 640. We don't want to lose this 570 area. But I think the plate is not bad though, longs overall, but not sure about tickers here. Apple looks good, but not a super fan.
Yeah, I don't love tickers right now either.
I was expecting slightly slower sell and then see you pick up if we're gonna see upside, not gap and trap and fill this downside.
There goes that
Because
news candle.
100 point, yeah, this is news. Because this is just 100 points to fill the gap now, the downside.
Oh,
Yeah, they lost that 570 there. Good buying back up there though after the 550 LOD taken. But Nvidia continues sell here, going for this gap here. Very close, very close. Did they get it? No,
No.
like 0.02 cents. Google selling here also, Tesla selling here also.
Yeah,
Apple
it should
looks
pull
strong.
lower, I think. I don't know. I can't
Yeah.
tell.
Yeah, I don't see an aggressive buying here yet on CVD. We're making new lows.
We should pull for 500 if this is gonna sell.
Yeah, I have 495.75 there, right above overnight low. Oh, we got a 30-minute sell divergence on ES there, which sold. I missed that actually. That liquidity on the high. Yeah. Already played out though. So I will not be here tomorrow and possibly not on Monday. I'm not sure about the time when I have the interview, but it's two hours drive, so I might miss trading on Monday also because of that.
Hmm.
Not sure though.
No worries. I might be out Monday as well if we have no power, so I guess we're gonna
Oh yeah,
we gonna find out.
yeah. I think it will be okay. It's not that much now, right?
No,
It was a lot, but
it
I
is
don't
kind of
think
a lot.
power is gonna.
20 inches is a shit ton.
Yeah, 20
Yeah,
inches is kind of a lot.
good for playing.
Yeah, that's the plan.
You could have a SS reunion with people in USA, and you can have a snowball fight.
Snowball fight.
The winner gets a 50k eval. By the way, Alex want a bit more people in here, like 15 in the live. So I'm gonna post on X and social media. I got a permanent link from Alex. If some other people want to do that and try to recruit some, it would be nice. I think we should have a standardized like mail thing though.
Send me the link.
Yeah, send us the
Yeah,
link.
it's
We'll do it.
Sure, will do. Yeah, I think having more people in here is nice. At least
yeah.
that are able to talk full time anyways, but yeah, you could copy that link. That's a permanent link that you could use. Um,
I think the issue with trading is people they don't really see the benefit on it, and
they
that's
don't
what deters them from it.
they don't take enough time to actually get into it.
Exactly. And then
No,
they
no, you
see
need years.
and
It's
then they
like
see like
any. Oh, sorry.
go ahead. You're good, you're good.
I just want to say it's like studying for like a BC or a master degree. It's
Yep.
exactly the same.
And then they also see the price of it, and they're like, "Oh, I'm not paying this amount to learn how to make some money. That's a waste of my time." You know, things like that.
But when I started, prop was not a thing really, and I lost a lot of money. If I did prop from the start, it would been super good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Back
so
then,
that's
props
very
were
nice.
like basically non-existent.
Yeah.
Trading is a lot easier than what it was back then. It's just people don't have the patience to actually learn it. So
Yeah,
it's a lot easier, but I feel like more people fail at it now for whatever reason.
Oh, it's the mental aspect.
Yeah.
yeah,
It's
that's
psychology.
they see someone coming
100%.
up 30K, and then they're like, "Well, I can do that. Let me just follow exactly what he does, and know with no like different changes." And then they lose 1,000, and then they're like, "You know what? Fuck this. I'm not doing it anymore."
No, more like win 15 days in a row and like have one losing trade and then full port and blow everything and back to
Exactly.
square one and then redo that and redo and redo.
Yep.
And after 3 years, you're so much in expenses that you just give up. And you hate life and I think
Yeah.
that's quite normal.
Looks like this one's just continue here. Based on the close anyways. Although we're still holding 78.6 here on the GP.
ES is coming up to last week's low.
Yeah,
69.23.
previous week low. Yeah. 0.25. No, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yes. Maybe a touch of that could be something.
I don't see any buying pressure. I don't see any longer right now. Just
Nope.
based
I'd
on
agree.
that.
I would agree.
You could argue that we could see gap fill also here with 8 points below. Or they gonna defend it and see buying instead, of course.
Yeah, it takes some time here, but yeah, if we actually clear below here, we'll probably will go 480 or so. Liquidity at the lows, and then
No, 470. Not 480. We're
is it
gonna fill
470?
the gap. Yeah, 470. Yeah. They're trying to defend it here though, but I'm not seeing it holding the time. We say we like short, we want a short day, and we don't short it, and it's just continue goes
Yeah,
down.
it just goes.
It's always
Oh,
Short
funny.
on
we
the
did this
open.
last time too.
Uh,
We did this last time.
yeah, because when we are not inclined to short after a big dump on the open, and the market is biased strong,
Yep.
I guess. The problem here is that we could the last days could be a cat bounce, right? So we could actually go back to being really price being sentimental weak again. Yes, must not, or SPY must not feel that as Nasdaq did.
Hmm.
I think it's more likely that it does though on the upside, but I see some slight buying here, by the way.
Yeah, GP is still holding here. I wonder if we actually still could long this. Not a fan, 100% right now, but we're still holding for right now, so. Would like to see one more leg lower and then long reversal. Not a great looking candle close there on the 5. Trying to hold this. In the 1 minute range. So clear above 70 will probably be our possible flipping structure. More like 80 actually. Probably want to see a clear above 80. We need to look
looks
at the
like a
bigger structure. Bigger time frame here.
I'm not convinced by this here. But how price is doing here. But they're trying to hold this 550, but
Yes, looked like it wants to go down to previous week low, but
yeah, but they're trying to hold it here also. So
yeah.
Still holding GP for right now.
the 4 hour is kind of weird though. Kind of a lot of selling there, right? 4 hour candle, then the next hourly head and shoulder could develop here, right? Could be wrong though. They are trying to hold here, but I'm not convinced.
Yeah, don't really see any buying off tickers here. Like, we should still have room. At least for me anyways. But we are holding a 1 minute range still, flagging on the 1. Getting some buying.
Yeah, I see buying on CVD here also. But this is right to resistance there. 580. They tried to sell the 580 perfectly. Right down to 550 again.
Yeah, stuck in range.
Should see an LOD here. I think. See lower based on 1 minute structure. Could be wrong though, but yeah. So this sold at 580, kinda good, but oh, they're buying it up again.
Just back and forth, back and forth. The longer this takes to break, the more I'm convinced it might actually hold.
Yeah. I see some buying on this 1 minute candle. So now I like upside more. See even mid 630 again. Will be the target. Yeah, I see buying there.
Can I take entry here is the question.
Stop loss is probably going to be somewhere in that range at the bottom.
Yeah, which
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
really
yeah.
like. I don't really like
Yeah.
that.
But I don't think you could have the stop at the lows there. It's too much risk here on this ATR.
Yeah.
For the
I'd say we
upside
wait until it
potential.
drops.
The upside potential will be at least, at most 640 here, I think. 638.
I'm still not convinced this is gonna get bought yet either, though.
Yeah.
This could still get sold here.
Yeah, looks like it. If you went down there.
I mean, we have a level. We have another level at basically 500.
I think overnight low would be the
Mhm.
target here
Yeah,
for the downside.
that's what I'm looking for here.
I don't think 500 should hold if we're gonna see gap fill for me.
Yeah, for me, I'm thinking. I don't know. We've pulled down and not actually gapped fill
Broken.
completely. We just mostly fill it. So for me, I'm still kind of convinced about 500, but we'll get a slight draw, which I guess yeah would be
470, 480,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
They could defend it sometimes, not seeing the fill directly.
We've been doing that a lot recently, I feel like.
Gap and trap, yeah. Right.
Mm-hmm.
And now I see some buying again on the lows. 540. That buying is a bit weird from that 1 minute structure there. To sell there.
Hmm. Okay, I'm long. 30-point stop, basically at the lows. This might be a bit risky here, but I feel like this is actually gonna hold here. I'm in at 61 by the way. It stops at new low.
31 then, or 34,
It's at 34 right now.
35.
Which we could actually extend it if we really wanted to, but
Hopefully it just goes here, honestly.
this is nice. We should trim here. Almost 30 points there.
Did you trim, Alex?
No, I want at least 30 points.
No.
I think we could go up to view up. I like the 1 minute inbounds up to 610, yeah. 610 view up on NQ. 620 or so. I think is my target. This is 9 EMA tap here though.
Hmm.
I do want to trim here though. Get a nice little pop. Yep, here we go. Yeah, alright, I'm out half. Get a 93 exit.
Is B stop here too tight, Alex? Make it a bit higher.
Maybe, yeah. I think you could bring it to 51 though. I'm gonna bring stop to 51.
Took full TP there.
Yeah, it's not bad to take full TP there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about the tops to the like yesterday or the overnight. We're right at that.
Maybe B. Maybe B isn't bad actually. Although we only have 10 points of risk, so it's not really a lot anyways. Either we're gonna be up on this trade, so it doesn't matter, but
Especially if you got that trim too.
yeah. This is nice though. We should probably take full. Yeah, let's take full.
600,
Nice
right?
trade.
Yeah,
I'll take
600.
Nice
Some
trade,
view up
boys.
there.
That's
Alright.
nice, and I kinda need to go.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that. I'm quite happy. I just got my exit right there at
Yeah.
601.
No, I have 675.
I got
Alex.
That's
6
fine.
or
We
Uh,
might
of
still be able to
course.
get view up here, but that's
Yeah, I think 640 is by far the highest target here.
Yeah, 630 the next level up.
But
Especially
I'm gonna take this green week here.
yeah. I'm happy with that.
See you
Yeah.
on Monday for me.
See you, Philip.
See
Have a
you.
good one.
I'll take any profit I can from
Please
that
have
steak on Tuesday.
please have 200 to 300 profit points profit tomorrow.
Yes. We will.
If you guys trade, yeah. Take care.
Alright, you guys be
You
safe.
guys. Bye-bye.
Okay.
I'm rebuilding slowly. I like it.
Yeah, that was nice. Yeah, I like
Having
that.
some self-control.
GP held there. Yeah, I think we should have seen, if we wanted that to continue, we should have seen it lose structure immediately on the 1 minute for me. So we kind of had a failed breakout. I mean, it still actually could. But yeah, we had a
Oh my
failed breakout
God,
on the
perfect
1.
exit.
Pulled down. It looked like it was going to pull lower there, but then it got bought again, so it was looking like a failed breakdown to me. So that's when we took the long there, and then yeah,
Boom.
Did you see the candlestick?
wow.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
But
Almost instantly.
I shorted. Right now I shorted 601. I am out at 61.
Oh wow, nice. Very nice.
That's solid. What the hell?
Yeah. It was a quick one. I didn't. We have the overnight highs here, and I saw ES. It looked bearish, and then so I shorted 601 with a stop at 620, 20 point stop loss, and I passed my combines.
Oh, nice.
Congratulations,
Very
man.
nice. Very, very nice. Yeah.
I definitely was thinking about taking the taking the consolidation, but honestly, it wasn't even worth it for me. It wasn't even what 10 points. Actually,
The range, you mean?
yeah, the range. I was
Or
thinking
no
about
one.
just
It's like
continuously
20
taking it.
points.
Yeah, it just wasn't worth it for me, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad we got our move. It's in and out, so really happy
Yeah,
with
a
that.
nice, really nice trade, Alex. I like your patience. I really need to
Sniper focus and volume.
practice that more. Yeah, it's
Thank
really
you.
cool to see actually.
Thank you.
I kind of like that long as well, since we saw that big, like, you see if you look at the 1 minute chart, you have the six. For me, the clock on it is 1670. Basically, that 1 minute that
Right.
almost broke.
Oh, right here.
Let me see your stream. Yeah, exactly. That red candle.
Yep.
Um, I kind of have a thing like calling that a scare candle, because a lot of times it happens that, like, even if the meta is long and we have some volume coming up, like we get one of those scare candles and then we see big buy volume coming in after that, just
Yep.
because some people had to get dipped. Well, just like now, for example, look at this push we have now.
Yeah.
Had a big ass scare candle faking the lows again.
Yeah, this is kind of like an institution buy for me.
Yeah,
Smart money. They'll drive price, right? They'll fake the breakout. Retail
yeah,
traders will take the break on the 1 minute. They'll go long here,
yeah,
right? Or maybe even if you're here, right? Even if you take the reversal, you go long here. You'll take some profit, maybe half or most off, and then BE stops. They'll run your
yeah,
stops at the lows, and then they'll
yeah.
buy it up, pull the highs. That's something that we see pretty often.
And this new low that we just got now is kind of tricky as well, because it's also baiting that we're
Yeah.
gonna sweep this, but we're probably gonna get a push now, like above, to just get the shorts out, and then like later in the evening we're gonna take this level.
Yeah.
It's my thought, at least.
Structurally, if you're not really paying attention to this 1 minute, like
Yeah,
your stop realistically should be a break below the lows. Break and candle close below the lows, would
yeah,
be how I would structure this. That's actually something we used to do a while ago. And I still don't mind it, like a candle close stop loss rather than a point stop loss. Um, as I
yeah,
think candle close and structure close is a lot more important than how many points you're up or down.
yeah,
But yeah, it still looks good. I mean, structure is still holding, so nothing's really changed at all. We're just stuck in the range, so we're just waiting to break either above 600 or below the low of day, and that's really it. That's all there is to it. But yeah, pretty nice. Yeah, GP held across QQQ, so 70.6 there was the kind of long idea. We realistically, like I said, we should be targeting VWAP for this long, but I'm okay with like up to the 50 percentile, because that's how you actually should be trading the GP. If you're taking it long within the GP, you just target the retracement point. So we long the GP, we'll look to target the 50 percentile, 30.2, and so on, unless we have other confluences in between here, which we have VWAP slightly above the 50 percentile, but I think our trim or our full close at the 50 percentile was valid there.
yeah.
Nikolai, I do
And
have a question, if you don't mind me asking.
Send it.
What made you short when we exited?
Just because we have previous. If you look at the, like, do we say 50 minutes, we have Asia highs here.
Mhm.
Just at 608 is the top. I think it's in MNQ it's 603. And I, considering that we have been like bouncing around this level a lot,
Mhm.
and we didn't break down now, and I saw ES like turning, getting some sell volume into ES as well.
Okay.
It made me like we swept the I don't have the same time as you because I have in the afternoon, but the news candle that we had, we swept that high as well. So I just based off that, I saw some coming out in ES, and then we had this, like, what do you say? Not rejection, but to the upside.
So basically, just following the trend of the consolidation.
Yeah, basically, and we took.
Okay.
If you look at MNQ, I don't know if NQ is the same. We had a, what is it for you? 10 a.m. news candle that dropped.
Yep.
You have that little wick at 9:59, and then you
I
had
see.
our
Okay.
top after that. We swept that, and then for me, it's just a little bit a matter of how high are we gonna push, and I kind of like those Asia highs.
Yeah, that was kind of valid there, honestly. It's a little risky for me, only because we had view up slightly above,
Yeah.
right where we entered. But I think the fill of the 1 minute imbalance is a nice area if you're looking for that range to continue to reject. So failed breakdown or failed breakdown, we pulled upside, filled the imbalance, and then that was definitely a short area. I think 605 to like view up is a possible short entry. But then once we clear those, it's probably look for previous hive day or something like that.
Also, I choose to take a little bit less stop because I know that we have a lot of momentum, like going higher, and we are right at Asia high. So I took 601 short entry, and I was out a little bit before you guys. I took a trim first at 84, like as soon as we reached those wicks, and then I took my second at 595, my exit.
Nice.
So I got to short entry at 601, and I put my stop at 621. So I didn't really want it like at the previous high before that. At what is it, 955. I just took it 20 points. And if I'm gonna say it, yesterday my last trade that I screenshotted to you was a trade where I held for 20 points, like when I got some volume in. And in this candle, in this short, I got some volume in, and I choose to hold it. Actually, that was nice.
Yeah, that's good.
So I shorted 601, and I held it to 557.
Nice. It's almost 50 points there.
Yeah, full size as well, 5 MNQ. So that was. I'm happy about that one.
Yeah, I'll call it today.